This is Morten from Inkish TV, and to be honest, it's really a pleasure to meet fellow Europeans here at the Printing United in Las Vegas in the 2022 edition. Tom, good to see you.
Good to have you.
4Ps, before we talk about anything else, why 4Ps?
We have been around for about 15 years, originally as a distributor, but now we're doing more and more integration work, and so that's why we've come to Printed United to actually talk to customers, to talk about their automation needs and to see how we can help them implement better automation. We're not a software company in the sense that we do not develop standard products. We are a software company in the sense that we sell and implement software products, and we also build bespoke solutions around that.
Okay, we are here in Las Vegas, but you're from Belgium, right?
Yeah.
So why are you here?
Well, I think that when you talk about automation, you're typically looking at industrialized markets. We have those markets in Europe, we also have them in the US, and then the question is who is serving those markets? With our history as a distributor, we've seen that the landscape of people doing implementations has changed. We used to have graphic arts resellers that were selling hardware, consumables, and software along with that. The focus of those traditional resellers has shifted to really focus on the hardware and the consumables. At the same time, if you look at the technology from a software point of view, it has and broadened and deepened, and so it is very difficult for those traditional resellers to really do full-scale implementations on those different products.
But what you're basically saying that is that the skills that you as a company have gained over a long time is basically the implementation part, to make sure that customers don't ask for a particular piece of automation, but they talk to you about what they want to achieve.
Exactly. So we still see that too often in our industry, people are looking at a product to solve their issues. And the product, the technology, certainly is part of that, but we've seen with too many customers that they buy products that they only use a part of because they're not accompanied in the right way. And so that's why what we try to change, we initiate a relationship with a customer, typically with a discovery session where we try to show them what the possibilities are with technology, but at the same time discovering what the needs are of the customer to actually deliver the right solution.
As a company from Belgium, I was just like, serving American customers, do you have to fly here all the time, or can you do it remotely, or how do you actually do these things?
Yeah, so I think that everybody by now has realized that COVID has some advantages, and having to do remote work has enabled us to more easily sell remote work as such. I think that before COVID we would have been inclined to fly out more easily. I think that today we can very easily say for the type of projects that we do, most of the time there's no on-site presence required.
You met people here for the first time that you have only met online before?
We have been speaking to a lot of people online, people that we have either done projects with already, that we're in a preparation phase of, or people that we have been in touch with that have downloaded a product here or there that are now coming to us and that are trying to see what we can do more for them. This morning we met, actually the first contact that we had is somebody who came up to us and said, "Oh, you're the guys who are developing Switch apps, that's great." And so we started talking to them about how we could assist them further, further optimizing the automation that they already implemented.
So even for a cold computer heart, it's nice to meet people.
It is, and I'm probably the less cold computer nerd within the company, but it is good to meet people. Yeah.
Thank you, Tom. Great to see you.
Thanks, Morten.